Hello everyone, my name is Agung Wibowo. On this video, I will discuss about test point. So, what is test point? A test point is an important part of an electronic circuit. A test point is a special spot provided to measure or test electrical signals such as voltage, current, or data signal. In PCB design using KiCad, a test point is usually shown as a small pad connected to a specific trace, such as the VCC line, ground, or the output signal from a sensor or microcontroller. The purpose is to make it easier for a multimeter or oscilloscope probe to access that point during testing. And what the function? The main function of a test point is to simplify the process of measurement, debugging, and circuit testing. Through test point, we can quickly check whether a particular line has the correct voltage or expect signal without directly attacking the probe to a small component like, which might cause a short circuit. In addition, test points are also very useful in mass production as they allow automatic testing machines to detect soldering error, broken threads, or damaged components. Other benefits of using test point include making circuit maintenance and repair easier, speeding up the testing process, and improving safety during measurement with the test point technique. Technicians can perform calibration or verification without interfering with the main component operation. In KiCad, test point can be easily added through the schematic editor. The steps are to place the test point symbol from the library, then connect it to trace that need to be tested, such as the 5-volt line, ground, or sensor output. Afterward, in the PCB layout, the test point will appear as a small pad that can be used as spot to attach a measuring probe. For example, in a circuit using an ESP and a temperature sensor, we can add test point on the 5-volt ground and sensor output line to ensure that signal is properly detected by microcontroller. In conclusion, test point play a very important role in circuit design and testing by providing test location on critical threads. The process of checking and analyzing a circuit becomes faster, easier, and safer. Therefore, every circuit designer should always include test point in their PCB design to make testing and maintenance more efficient and professional. So, how to add the test point? So guys, next step we will add the test point for my schematic editor on PCB. Step 1, you open your KiCad, open your project, and if you don't open your folder project, click the schematic editor. This and if you don't open your schematic, click add symbol this icon symbol, search test point, this, put at 5 volt on power, this, and put at the 3 volt, once, if done, next, give value on test point, double click this 5 volt, and this 3 volt. Step, and you add the footprint on this point, search test point, this, test point pad 1.5, add to all test point, footprint, if done all put test point footprint, and next step you control save and you open your PCB editor, and you click tools, update PCB from schematic. sorry, this. So routing down, and this test point. This the test point. Okay, next step, I will create a file Gerber, and next step you create a new folder. Click file and fabrication output Gerber. Choose your folder. This point is okay. Click generate drill files. Generate drill files. Close. Plot. Save. This point. This. And if you're done, you close this. Close. Change the format folder to zip. Create. Open back your ticket. And you click Gerber Viewer. click file and open zip archive file. Choose your zip. And this is my PCB and how to add test point on PCB. Thank you for watching.